Here's just a wee heads up, lads. This is just a machine to avoid. Collomix. This is the Xo1. Simple enough. Simple enough problem. Same as any mixing drill. Bearings are gone. Why is it a heads up? I'll show you. That's your part, your spindle, your gear. Cannot buy the bearings, cannot buy this plastic housing. You have to buy the whole gearbox assembly. €150 to buy into the shop here. So in other words, if those bearings go, like these ones, this one here, you're not fixing it. Look at the way the water's gotten on, look at the rust on that. That bearing's gone too. Worthless, lads. This is just a machine to avoid now. Don't bother buying them Collomix machines. Motor's still good in this thing, but because of two bad bearings, it's now scrap. That's just designed to fail, or designed to be dumped. Heap of scrap, lads. Collomix. Don't bother buying them anymore. If you're sending them on here for a new bearing, don't bother sending it on. Can't be fixed. What you're going to say, look at the state of it. Obviously it's been worked, it has job done. See any of my other videos on mixing drills, they all come on like this. They all come on with bad bearings. A few euro change of the bearings. At most, the whole job might cost €100. Can't even buy the part for this here for €100. So that could be about a €200 repair. It's not even a €400 machine. Worthless.